We have now reached the tipping point.
Leaders and researchers co-authored an open letter calling for a slowdown.
I'm sounding the alarm and saying we have to worry about this.
How do we build AGI that does what is in the best interest of humanity?
I want to provide a little more detail on how to build safe artificial general intelligence.
It's a hard thing for any organization to do, to build such incredible capability that has never existed before and try to deploy it safely.
It's something that nobody really knows how to do.
I'm sounding the alarm and saying we have to worry about this. And I wish I had a nice simple solution I could push, but I don't.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say I have a way. And now I want to point you to more detailed information, more than we can do in a 2 or 3 minute video. The first thing is that this entire system is described in a series of patents. And what's great about patents is they kind of systematically tell you all the steps you need to do in order to have a working invention. That would be very valuable to anybody who is trying to build AGI. But these patents, I've tried to write in a slightly different way. I've tried to write them in a way that anybody, even a non-engineer, a non-AI researcher, but somebody who's just interested in the subject can understand. I think it's very important that the principles, in particular the principle of human involvement, the principle of designing safety from the start, the principle of having safety checks and ethics checks in a process so that we can sort of keep AI on track, all of these principles are really important even if they're implemented in a different way. These patents will cover the general design of an artificial general intelligence system along the lines that I've discussed, as well as methods for customizing AI agents, because this entire approach to artificial general intelligence involves humans as well as customized AI agents. The patents currently are royalty-free. I can't guarantee that that will be the case forever, but in my hierarchy of things, human survival comes first and making money comes second, and we're in a race for our lives. It may not appear that way, especially if you're new to AI or you haven't been following things. Believe me, those who know a lot about AI and have been involved in these systems, they're trying to do whatever they can.
Tech leaders and researchers co-authored an open letter calling for a slowdown in the development of artificial intelligence.
Currently, that sort of looks like, let's throw regulatory speed bumps in there. Let's try to have voluntary moratoriums. Let's try to buy ourselves more time. I'm trying to take it to the next level and say, look, those are all fine ideas. Maybe it gives us a little more time. What we really need to do is design AGI in a safe way.
I wouldn't use the word slow down the progress. I would use the term, you want to make it so that the progress is sensible, so that with each step, we've done the homework.
If you want a summary of the entire video series and some final thoughts, then I encourage you to check out the next episode, because now is the time.